Hi, uh, as you know, the concept of normality is very important in statistics. In this video, let's see how to check the normality of any data set or the data that you have, uh, and so that you can decide your further tests, how to go about the tests. Let's Uh, in this video, we'll just make do some basic checks like histogram, skewness, or kurtosis. Let's just generate a random data using rand between formula. Make it like a sizable sample. Let's say some sample size. Now, just copy this and paste so that it stays static. It doesn't change every time you make a move in the Excel. Now let's go and insert histogram. So this is the histogram of our data. For data to be said that like it is in following a normal distribution, the histogram should follow a bell curve shape. Now our uh, data histogram of our data is not at all bell curve. So from this we can easily see that the data is not following normality. The other check is skewness and the other one is kurtosis. I won't go into theory what is what. Let's just see how to perform it and see if the data is normal or not. Just type skew and select the range. You'll get the skewness. Similarly, type kurt formula and select the data. You'll get the kurtosis of our data. Now, skewness is for any perfectly normal data. Skewness ideally should be 0, and the kurtosis should be close to 3. So from these three checks, we can see that our data is not following normal distribution. And for your further analysis, if you need the data to be perfectly normal, you can try transformation of the data using logarithmic log transformations are there, square root transformations are there. If transformation is not possible, you can perform non-parametric tests on your data. It can be instead of t-test or z-test ANOVA, you can perform non-parametric tests. It can be chi-square or Man-Whitney U-test. These are non-parametric tests. But if you want to, or if you have to perform any parametric test only, you can go ahead and perform because the central limit here, central limit theorem comes into picture. It says that for any data which is more than 30, the sample size that is more than 30, we assume it automatically follows a normal distribution. So using the central limit theorem, you can go ahead and perform your non-parametric tests on your data, even though the tests show that the data is not following normality. To check normality, there are other tests also, QQ plot, PP plot, or other statistical tests, for which I recommend other softwares like SPSS or Python or uh, on which I'll make another video and upload. Hope this is clear. Thank you.